Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn stack with the maximum size. Okay, so if you have maximum size like 4, 3, so you can use max size uh, in stack. Okay, so first of all I need to create one class equals to stacks. After that I need to create one function called init. So self and max size are the parameter of this function, and self dot max size equals to max size. So I am going to initialize variable max size here. Okay, so after that I need to create one list. Self dot list is equals to empty list that we can store elements in this list. And now I am going to create another function str. This is used to print the elements in reverse form. Like if you have element 1 2 3, I mean like that, 1 2 and 3. If you have a stack like this, uh, bottom element is 1 and top element is 3, then you got result in the form of 3, sorry, 1 3 1 2 3 in the reverse form. So if you have a stack in this form, then you will got this result after applying this function. Value equals to str string of x for x in reverse. Self dot list. So strx for x in reverse and in brackets self dot list. Now we can return slash n for new line dot join values. So this function are used for print the element of stacks, and after this function I need to create another function which is used to check the stack that stack is full or empty. So the function name is empty. Self is the parameter inside of this function. Now I need to return self dot list. equals to empty. So if you have empty stack, you need to write this function. Now we need to check our stack is full or empty. So I need to create another function. Def is full and self is a parameter inside of this function. Now I can return length self dot list is equals to self dot max size. Okay, so here we are going to return length of list equals to maximum size of the stack. So we can check our stack is full or not. I am going to create another function push that is used to append a new element in the stack. Define push self value. These are the parameter inside this push function. Now we need to check stack is full or empty. So I need to put some conditions. If self dot is full, if stack is full, then I need to return in double quotes stack is full. Self dot append self dot list dot append. Append values. Also stack, if stack is full, then it return stack is full, otherwise it will append the values inside the stack and return inserted, and this will return inserted. Okay, so this is the push function. We are using this for append the elements in the stack. Now I am going to create pop. So pop are used to remove element from the top of the stack. So first of all I need to check condition. If a stack is empty, if self dot is empty, then it will return stack is empty. Otherwise return self dot list dot pop. Okay, so pop are used to remove the top element from the stack, and after that I need to create peek function. Peek. So peek are used to return top function without removing it. If self dot is empty, if stack is empty, return stack is empty. Otherwise it will return self dot list -1. It's mean it return element, I mean top element from the stack. Now I need to create delete function self. So self dot list equals to empty list. So I want to comment delete function. Let me check. Okay, so these are the function. These are the function which use in stack. String is empty, is full, is push are used to append the element, is full are used to check that stack is full or empty. Empty also used for check the stack is empty, and pop are used to remove the first element, top element, I mean last element from the stack, and peek also used for return the top element without removing it, and delete are used to delete the entire stack. Okay, so I need to create one object that is custom stack for the stack class stack. Print custom stack is empty. Okay, so custom stack dot is empty. Okay, again I need to print custom stack dot push. So here we can push, I mean we can add the element one by one. One, two, three. Now I am going to print custom stack. So now I am going to run this file. Okay, I think I need to change file name. Stack list max size. Max size. Custom stack equals to, okay, so I think I got error in line number 39. I need to give maximum size of the stack. So okay, now everything is fine. So here you can see this is our custom stack 1 2 3. Okay, so if you want to delete this, then you can uncomment this function. Now print. Okay, so we got none because delete function are executed. Okay guys, bye bye, take care. Please do share, subscribe, like and comments. Bye bye.